GSIS, Disability Pension. Alamin. Yes, friends, it's high time to know this disability pension. Ano ba ito? Sino ba ang pwede nito? And magkano po ang ma-receive monthly? Alright? Short video lang po ito, friends. Direct to the point and with example. Let's get started. First question. Ano po ang disability pension? Answer. Disability pension is a monthly cash benefit for life. Is given to former GSIS members who left the government service after having been diagnosed with disabilities that led to complete, irreversible, and permanent incapacity to work, resulting in loss of income. Simply said, friends, ito yung monthly cash benefit na ma-receive no, sa disability pensioners for life. So, parang pension na din ito, no? Given ito sa former GSIS members na diagnosed with disabilities. Hindi na siya makaperform sa work, incapable na siya to work, and as a result, nawalan siya ng trabaho. Hindi na mention dito kung ilang years siya member sa GSIS, right? So, information natin is galing sa GSIS website. So, kung may clarification tayo regarding sa number of years in government service, hindi kasi na-mention, please visit GSIS branch for clarification. Alright? Second question, ano po ang benefits ng RA 8291 Disability Pensioners? Answer, number one, basic monthly pension for life at a minimum amount of 5,000. So may minimum amount pala, no? 5,000. So ibig sabihin 5,000 or more itong monthly pension. So depende po 'yan sa GSIS kung ano yung amount na ibigay sa inyo. So sila po yung mag-evaluate. Number two, Christmas cash gift. So every December ito, no? Obviously. Number three, annual pension increase. Subject for approval ng board ng GSIS, of course. So every year pala may annual pension increase. Number four, milestone benefit given on their 90th, 95th, and 100th birthday ni sir or ma'am. So pag mag-abot tayo ng 90, meron tayong milestone benefit, 95 and 100. So magkano po yung amount? Please check my YouTube channel. Nagawan ko ito ng video before. May separate video tayo, milestone benefit ng GSIS member. Number 5, funeral benefit. Number 6, survivorship benefit for their spouse. So number 5, so kung kunin na tayo ni Lord, meron tayong funeral benefit for our dependents and beneficiary. And of course, legal spouse, survivorship benefit. Alright, so keep watching my YouTube channel. May marami pa tayong content about GSIS, pag-ibig, and other benefits ng employees. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.